Today, I'll show you how to highlight in Adobe Acrobat Pro. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Make sure you are using the latest version of Acrobat Pro because the newer layout may show tools in the All Tools panel or in the Quick Toolbar. Now open the PDF file where you want to highlight text. Once the PDF is open, look for the Highlight tool near the top toolbar. If you do not see it right away, open All Tools, then choose Add Comments. Inside the Comment tools, select the Highlight tool. It usually looks like a marker or highlighter icon. Now move your cursor to the text you want to highlight. Click and drag across the word, sentence, or paragraph. When you release your mouse, Acrobat will add the highlight to the selected text. You can highlight one word, a full line, or several lines, depending on what you select. If you want to highlight more text, keep the Highlight tool active and select another area. To change the highlight color, click the highlighted text, then open the color option in the floating toolbar or Properties panel. Choose a new color, such as yellow, green, blue, pink, or any other available color. Yellow is the most common choice because it looks like a normal paper highlighter. If you want to add a note to the highlight, right-click the highlighted area and choose Open Pop-up Note or Add Note, depending on your version. Type your comment, then close the note. This is useful when you want to explain why that section is important. To remove a highlight, click the highlighted area to select it. Then press Delete on your keyboard. You can also right-click the highlight and choose Delete. If highlighting does not work, the PDF may be a scanned image instead of real text. To fix this, open All Tools, choose Scan and OCR, then run text recognition. After Acrobat recognizes the text, go back and try highlighting again. When you are finished, save the PDF. Click File, then Save. If you want to keep the original file unchanged, choose Save As and create a new copy. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, choose Add Comments, select the Highlight tool, drag over the text, change the color if needed, and save the file. And that's how you highlight in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.